G'day, I'm Stu from Jimy Tools. What I'm going to take you through today is I'm going to give you a bit of a look at our range of ute boxes here. So these are ute boxes, field service vehicle boxes, whatever you want to call them. Basically they go on the back of utes or trucks, stack them full of all your gear, and away you go. Now there's a fair few ute boxes out there on the market. They've all got their strengths and weaknesses, so I'm going to show you through what our strengths and weaknesses are. This ute box here is our Magnum. We call it the Magnum. It's got 5 drawers. They're all on heavy duty roller bearing slides, so really good to slide in and out. The drawers themselves all compact back into the box. You've got a large top area here, and it will shut up strong and away from the elements with this full metal jacket, as we call it. The strength of this box is it's nice and compact. It's easy to lift off. This is good for a smaller type vehicle, or if you're needing to lift on and off all the time. You're still going to get a good range of tools in here. We put a 357 piece in here, which has got just about everything that you're going to need for general, farm maintenance, servicing, all that type of stuff. So Magnum comes with a 357 piece toolkit if you need it. So the next ones we've got here are our 1500. This also comes in a 1300. This is our 1200, distinguishable by their single slide handles. And then you've got your 700 here as well. So the great thing about these ute boxes are, they are super heavy duty. They've got incredibly heavy duty locking system on them. You've got your stainless steel pins to lock all the drawers into place. The drawers themselves are roller bearing slides, which are absolutely massive. So you can fit a lot of gear in these drawers, and you're not going to have any problem with them sliding in and out. You've got your weather seals all around, and also your rain gutters here to stop most of the weather. Look, they're not completely waterproof. I don't think I've ever seen a ute box that is, but they do a bloody good job at keeping water out. The best thing about these boxes is you can put a heap of gear in here. So we'll actually stack this full 870 piece toolkit we can fit in here. We've sold hundreds and hundreds of them around Australia, and people absolutely love them. They are 1.5mm steel thickness. Dudes are making up frames for them and all sorts of stuff to fit them on the utes, fork them on and off. So there's a lot you can do with these ute boxes. The next step down from this, they come with a 543 piece and then a smaller toolkit configuration as well. The 1200 is pretty much the same, although we do have this charcoal colour in 1200 as well. So just got your the slightly narrower drawers, exactly the same type of roller bearing slides. We can still get an 870 piece toolkit into this 1200mm ute box. So there's no discounting the amount of tools you can actually get in here. Brilliant boxes, and they're priced well, extremely well. For how heavy duty they are less than what you'd expect to pay for a ute box. Down now to the little 700, exactly the same quality as what you get with the 1200, the 1300 and the 1500. It's just basically cut in half. This one here, 700mm wide. A lot of dudes are actually stacking these. So they put one on one side of their ute, one on the other side of the ute. Still got room in the middle to tie their dirt bikes down or whatever you need to do there. Fit all your motocross gear in here. Once that's down and locked into place, no one's getting in there without an angle grinder. 1.5mm steel thickness. You got your stainless steel pin there to keep your drawers into place. Good looking box as well. You got your twin gas struts, and there's a few different kits that go in here with regards to tools. So these are really good if you're sort of needing to capitalise on a bit of space on the back of the ute. It's called the Little Nugget. It's basically a square box, 700 wide. It's got friction slides, so no roller bearing slides on this. This is for like extreme conditions. There's basically no moving parts on this type of thing, so it's made rugged as. Got your locking pin mechanism there that locks all the drawers into place. Got your weather seal that goes around it. Got a couple of trays here which you lift out and access your gear underneath. Industrial powder coated. We've been selling these for years and we've sold hundreds of them. People seem to love them. Chuck a padlock on there, and again, safe as houses, rugged as, excellent value for money. So all in all, we've got a great selection of field service boxes, something for just about every ute you could possibly think of, and all sorts of different conditions. We got guys from North Queensland to northern Western Australia that are using these. Corrugation's not an issue at all. They're built to last, 1.5mm steel thickness. They're protected from the elements by all your weather seals and your rain gutters. We ship Australia-wide. We're an Australian family-owned business. We actually offer 24 months interest-free. So if you're in Adelaide, come down to our showroom, check one of these bad boys out. Otherwise, they're available online at jimytools.com.au.